Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Jagdish Kulkarni, sir, for Dr. Jagdish Kulkarni, sir.
Okay, thank you. Namaskar. Good afternoon to you all. First and foremost, I wholeheartedly congratulate organizers for organizing a national webinar on all about conservation of manuscripts and rare books for librarians. The theme is contemporary and very useful to library professionals to know about everything related to the manuscripts and rare books. Indeed, it is my proud privilege to be present here virtually and address as a keynote speaker. I am really grateful to you for your good words about me and the organizers for this great honor. Honorable Pradnyavant Sri Nandakumar Bendale sir, President of KC Societies Mulji Jaitha Autonomous College Jalgaon. I met him once with again Kanji sir. Respected Principal Dr. S.N. Bharambe sir, my friend Dr. Vijay Srikant Kanchi, Director of KRC and Head Manuscript Conservation Center of MJ College, and today's resource person. Today he is playing multi-dimensional role today. So he is resource person, he is organizer, and lot of things he has to do. Then rising star of the library and information science profession, Mr. Hitesh Brijwasi, who is organizing secretary, members of the technical committee, Mr. Madhukar Bonde, Mr. Hemant Joshi, Mr. Jayesh Patel, members of the governing council as well as college development committee, teaching and administrative staff, then some participants, renowned participants, respected participants are there like Dr. Balekar sir, Mr. Prashant Kalloli, Rajesh Agavade, Mangesh Joshi, and all friends, participant friends, brothers and sisters. This is really a feast, I can say, for the librarians, because nowadays everyone is talking about the information technology, online journals, online books, etc., etc., etc. No one is going back to the manuscripts. Though the government is going, all world is going behind looking after manuscripts, safeguarding the manuscripts. But nowadays, there is no such webinars and conferences, and even librarians find many times problems to how to conserve the library material. So first of all, I congratulate the organizers for organizing such a webinar for the librarians. I have visited MJ College campus 2-3 times, and I firmly say that the MJ College is one of the best colleges which I have seen. The college is like a mini university. The region is well known for poet Bahinabai Chaudhary. The theme of the webinar is all about conservation of manuscripts and rare books for librarians. Conservation means keep in safety and protect from harm, decay, loss, and destruction. It is very popular, proper word in Marathi. Marathi it call as a samvardhan. There is no proper word in other languages. I have seen in Hindi and other languages, they just call it as a sanrakshan. Conservation, it is not just a sanrakshan. It has some additional meaning like a samvardhan. Then manuscript is noun evolved from Latin word. Manuscripts means written by hand. Manu is hand and scriptures is to write. In Marathi, again, it is called as a hastalikhita. And in Hindi, we call it as a pandulipi. So I was afraid to learn that word pandulipi. I was thinking it is something from Mahabharata, but it is not like that. Pandulipi is a manuscript. the rare books stands for its early printing date. So how you can say that what is rare book? In NAC, we find that they have asked that there should be a rare books in the library. But how? So there are different opinion. Someone says that this is rare book. Someone says this is rare book. But the definition says that the rare book stands for its early printing date. One thing. Then its limited issue. Second, the special character of the edition. Third, binding. Fourth, or and its historical interest. So there are 3, 4, 5 criteria. How we can say that it is a rare book? In Marathi, we call it as a Durmil Grantha, and in Hindi, it is called as a Durlabh Kitabe. So this was regarding the manuscripts, rare books. Now we'll just see what is manuscripts. India has been known world over as a repository of one of the ancient most civilization of the world. India in the ancient past has registered some of the greatest achievement in the world of science, art, literature, architecture, philosophy, and other subjects. 4 of the important religions of the world, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, owe their origination to this great land. These religions have contributed to the rich heritage of ancient wisdom, which was preserved for centuries in the form of oral tradition, monuments, artifacts, and also as a manuscripts. Manuscripts are the existing example of humanistic and imaginative activities of the earlier period of human civilization. A manuscript speaks to the past, reveals history, unfolds perspective, and reflects the socio-cultural, even socio-political scenes of its times. Its contents are significant literary, scientifically, historically, in the form of fascinating paleographically, and technically. The literary, scientific, social, or political, or history of a people can only be written objectively if it is based on the original sources, and these sources are manuscripts or archival documents. Manuscripts are the lifeblood of the history. Indeed, when the term source is used in historical research, it points to the original documents. Manuscripts in India have a long tradition. They were produced in all parts of the country. They are in many languages. In India, especially in Sanskrit, there are so many manuscripts. There are different scripts and on wide range of religious, philosophical, historical, literary, and scientific subjects. Frequently, they have rich illuminations and illustrations of outstanding quality. In a great variety of schools and styles of miniature painting in some of the periods and places in India, the importance of the history of the development of painting is great. Everywhere, there are reflection of profound and wide-ranging learning and the richness, variety, and long history of Indian culture. The NAC accreditation process also expressed the libraries to make available rare books, manuscripts, and other special collections. It is important that college and university libraries also begin to take great interest in the cultural preservation of our country, embodied in the form of manuscripts. I hope you will come to know every aspect of conservation of manuscripts and rare books. My best wishes are there for the resource person as well as participants and all the organizers for this grand success of this conference. With this brief discussion, I conclude my keynote address here. Once again, I'm thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to share my views. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.